Hello everyone! So we had a special lunch and wine tasting at one of the most beautiful wineries on Mount Etna. Now we are driving to Mount Etna. That's the highest active volcano in Europe and it's very safe. We will have a fun experience because we are almost drunk. So we will walk along the edge of an extinct craters. And now we are very proud to show you our special friends, the Sicily Lovers, in the September 2024 edition.
They are enjoying our Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour of Sicily.
Let's start.
I'm Dave.
And Janna from Oakland, California. Woohoo! It's Rosella and Janka. They are the funnest tour guides ever. You will always have a load of fun on their trips. And the best thing is the variety of experiences from hiking to ruins to drink, wine tasting, and the very good food. Buono.
Thank you. Thank you, Janna. Dave, would you like to add something?
The food was amazing. The food was bueno.
Thank you, Dave. So, we have Vince and Karen.
From Sarasota, Florida.
Vince and Karen and Grando. I'm gonna cry.
Come on.
Come on.
This was we've never taken a tour before. This was by far the best experience we've ever had on a vacation. Janka and Rosella made this a memory we will never forget.
Thank you.
Fantastic. And the experiences that we have shared with everyone on the tour have been immeasurable. And it's been the best ever. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Karen. Thank you. So, you guys, the Ventimiglia.
This is Joe Ventimiglia. And
Becky Ventimiglia.
I really love driving in the Fiat 500. That was so much fun. Had a lot of laughs, and also we have enjoyed all our company. Everybody on this trip is like new friends. Everybody got along awesome, and Janka and Rosella are the best. A lot of fun.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We're from
Thank
Brighton,
you.
Michigan.
Thank you. Thank you. So, the Amatos.
Hi, we're Margarita and Joe from New Jersey, and this has been the best tour we've ever been on. Janka and Rosella are absolutely fabulous, and so much fun. And the group of people we've been with have been great. We have so many great experiences that we can't even pick out our favorite. Just to name a few, the dinner at the Palace was something very special that we'll always remember. The families were so warm. And every experience that they have given us, to all the people that we have met, whether it be the guides and the people who hosted us as part of our group, have all been warm and welcoming, and we can't say enough about this tour. It's just been absolutely great.
Thank you. Thank you. Would you like to say something?
I don't have anything to add to that except the Falcon Experience was phenomenal.
Oh, yeah.
The Falcons were unbelievable, but the family, another family, was so welcoming. Great, the food was phenomenal, and this was just really a food
and
tour.
And the chef experience with the pizza and the bread baking. Oh, it was absolutely amazing. The farmhouse
was great. We thank Janka and Rosella
and
for such a great
all
time.
the hosts that had us.
Thank you.
The experience we'll never forget.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi,
Good morning.
Good morning. We're James and Susan Baraka from Long Island, New York, not Long Island. I used to weigh 120 pounds before I started this thing, and I'm not going to tell you what I weigh now, but I do tell you we traveled to loads of places, been on many tours, and by far, Rosella and Janka are the absolute best. Most importantly, they're passionate, and they care, and they understand hospitality, and that's what it's all about. We absolutely loved what we did. Not only the places that we saw, the sights and the sounds, but the experiences makes it number one. And then besides that, the cherry on top of the cake, the casata.
Thank you.
Was the friends that we made.
Thank you. Thank you, Susan.
And I have to say, I ditto everything that James
but my most favorable night was with Piero. Oh my goodness, making the sausage and stuffing it too, besides chopping it up and everything else and preparing. And then the after feast was magnificent. It was so much fun. We might do it again.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Eduardo and Janna, we're from Kentucky.
Spotsville.
Yeah, we were. But it was great. We had a great time. Being a car guy, the Fiat 500 thing was the best part for me. And where we stayed yesterday, I thought the hotel was wonderful. Great.
Gina.
Epicurean delight. So much fun. You don't usually think of a tour as being that much full of fun, and it was just, the whole thing's been a delight. And then with you guys helping me find my relatives.
Yeah, that
in
was good.
That was a highlight for me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you
You're the
so much.
best. You're the best.
Thank you. Oh. Isabella,
Oh my gosh.
Robert.
Robert and Isabelle Shipika. What an amazing, amazing time. We have never gone on a tour ever before. And I don't know if there's anyone that could top this tour. Not only did we meet the most amazing of friends and experience the most amazing of attractions, but we got to meet family for the first time because of Rosella and Gianca. And now we have family in Sicily. And my favorite time, even though all of it has been my favorite time, everybody knows that, is the time at the sausage party with Piero.
Piero.
It was off the charts.
Piero is the best. Thank you. Thank you, Isabel. Rob.
So everything that Isabelle said, but especially the heart of Gianca and Rosella. They are exactly what they said.
Yeah.
They're so much fun to be with. We never want to leave. And this whole trip, we would never go on a tour. We never did before.
Never.
But this whole trip is all about friendship
Yep.
and love and going after your passion.
The experiences too.
And I don't think we ever laughed so hard as with you.
Yeah.
And we also cried, but
Cried a lot.
good cry.
Thank you. Thank you, Rob.
Thank you.
Thank you, Isabel. Thank you, Rob. Thank you. John, how are you?
Siamo dalla California.
This is Carrie and John from Oakland, California, and we've loved everything, especially the sausage party. And I really loved swimming in the sea in Chapaloo. And John drinking wine.
I just finished the loveliest experience I ever had right now, this moment. Special. And we thank you, Gianca and Rosella, so very much. Our first time in Sicily, and amiamo tutti Siciliani.
Bravo! Very good. Pasquale.
Where do I begin? I mean, each day has been a great experience. I can't believe we came with good friends and found even nice friends here. The group got along very well. Every day was wonderful. You couldn't wait for the next day because the day before was so great. I think the time I had the best time was in the Fiat 500 because I wasn't driving, and my wife couldn't tell me slow down. So it was terrific. I can't believe it, and I think I know that Gianca and Rosella made this experience the way it should have been. I thank them very much. I don't know how to thank them enough. It's been great.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Would you like to add something?
I say the same. The most amazing trip I've ever had. I've had many trips, but this one is the best. Thank you, Gianca. Thank you, Rosella.
Thank you. And last but not least,
This is Joanne and
Sal.
Salvatore. We're from New Jersey. And first of all, I have to thank Gianca and Rosella for a fabulous tour. The best I've ever been on, and I've been on quite a few tours. Every day was better than the next day. It's fabulous. Probably
and meeting my cousins in Cockermouth was great. Yeah. So
Say something, Saul, please.
Hi, how you doing? I think it's a big injustice to just pick out one particular event. The entire trip's amazing. The people are amazing.
Yeah, great
Rosella
group
and
of
Janka's
people.
made it feel like family. They treat us like family. We couldn't ask for any more. My highlight was being with my wife when she met her family. That was number one. That was number one for us. So thank you to everybody for making this a great trip.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
You made me cry, like always. Thank you, guys.
So as you can see, we succeed in making these people a family. We are proud of you guys. Raise your hands.
Family of Sicily Lovers.
We love you. And now, love, hugs, and kisses